Hello, it's Abby from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this brand new vehicle. This is a Volkswagen T-Roc Black Edition 1.5 TSI, and it comes painted in the stunning pure white finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge detail, and that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the car. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful doing mirrors do fold in unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large and fits to a flat shopping bag, so even a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel or height. Following on, we can see this T-Roc really has some lovely and classy interior. As you can see, we have our ISO fixed points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features. And around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, ensuring that I was in the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed while travelling on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and we can also show the small cluster. And to tailor your driving experience, there are many different driving modes to choose from, depending on what type of driving experience you may enjoy. And to finally finish this video off, we have our Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and rear camera ensure safety. And over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience.